Is alkaline water real, or a scam? Wondering if investing in an alkaline water machine is really worth it? In this video, we will discuss the benefits of drinking alkaline water, and how you can easily make it at home. Drinking alkaline water offers a multitude of exceptional benefits that can greatly contribute to your overall well-being. So, what is alkaline water? It's water with a pH higher than 7 on the pH scale. Anything below 7 is acidic, and anything higher than 7 is alkaline. Alkaline water, with its higher pH level, helps neutralize acidic substances in the body, thus promoting a more balanced internal environment. By consuming alkaline water regularly, you can potentially experience improved hydration, due to its smaller cluster size and better absorption capabilities. This enhanced hydration can lead to increased energy levels and improved physical performance. Moreover, alkaline water is believed to possess powerful antioxidant properties, which may aid in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. These free radicals are known to contribute to oxidative stress and various health issues. By incorporating alkaline water into your daily routine, you could potentially bolster your immune system and reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases. Additionally, alkaline water may have an anti-aging effect on the skin, due to its potential detoxifying properties. It is believed that by flushing out toxins from the body, and improving hydration, by drinking alkaline water, it helps improve skin elasticity and overall complexion. There are hundreds of websites selling $6,000 machines to make our tap water into alkaline water. You can also buy pricey bottled alkaline water at the supermarket. The great news is, you and your family can drink alkaline water very inexpensively on a daily basis, without spending thousands of dollars. You simply add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to a liter of water. Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. When you add the sodium bicarbonate to the water, it increases the pH to 9, making it alkaline. Sodium bicarbonate doesn't seem to have the same effect on the body as sodium chloride or table salt. In a study done on alkaline water, those drinking the baking soda water had no change in blood pressure. And another study actually found that people enjoyed a significant improvement in their blood pressure. We truly think that alkaline water machines and alkaline bottled water are a scam. So now, you can save yourself thousands of dollars by not buying an alkaline water machine, and make your alkaline water at home. Drinking alkaline water on a daily basis can provide you with numerous advantages for your health and well-being. From promoting proper hydration and immune support, to potential anti-aging effects on the skin, and improved digestion. Incorporating this refreshing beverage into your daily routine may be worthwhile, and a great addition to your health and well-being. Share this video with someone you care about.